Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. Today we have the Tozo T9s. This is the 2022 version of the earbuds. Now these are going for $36 right now on Amazon. If you guys want to check this out, I'll put the link down below so you can check the current price, see if there's any deals. And when you do click that link, it does help me out. I get a little commission from that. Amazon pays me, not you guys, so don't worry about it. When you use that link, it just helps me out. But let's break down everything that these do and the features of these. So when it comes to the battery life, you're going to be looking at 8 hours off of a single charge when you use these, and it's going to be 24 hours with the case. And all in total, you'll get a day's worth of this. When it comes to the case is a fairly small size. Let's see if we can find something that can compare this to. So as you guys can see here, we got the chapstick. It's about, I want to say, about chapstick size, about right there. Of course, it's gonna be a little bit thicker, but not by too much. So pocket-wise, you're gonna be fine. I guess the chapstick was the only thing I could think of. I couldn't find no AirPods around here. One thing I do want to point out is the ear tips with these. You're gonna get a good amount of ear tips, so you can find the right size. So you got all these pairs right here, plus the one that is already on the earbuds. So you have a whole bunch of different options. You'll find the right size for your ears to make them work and fit to your liking. So when it comes to the waterproofness of the earbuds, you're gonna look at IPX7. You're gonna be fine with sweat, rain, any of that. If you're outdoors, you're gonna be good for your workouts. You're gonna be good. You're gonna be covered with these earbuds. So I do an on-ear look so you guys can see what they look like. So we'll do these on ear and check them out for a little bit. This is the straight on look, what I look like straight on. And we'll do the quick head turn here and the head turn here. I didn't see no instructions about turning the head earbuds. I think it's just however you like them. Because I know some earbuds tell you, put it in and twist it a little bit. But this is basically what they feel like for me. I had no problem with these coming out of my ear or anything or falling out while I was testing these out. But one thing is all our ears are different, and we like different, styles of earbuds in our ears. Some people like just basically the little stub with no stem on it. My ears are better for earbuds with stems. That's why I had no issue with these ones. All right, so one of the main functions with the Tozo T9s is call. They really focus on the call quality, and that's one thing you'll see when you're going through their website or Amazon or any of that. You'll see that it's all like call, 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 call. They have 4 mics in it, so 2 on each side. But they also have noise canceling, environmental noise canceling, meaning they can block out some of the world. They said they can block out up to 50% of the world while you're calling, so it'll give you more clearer calls and better call quality for people that understand you while you're talking. Now, one thing I want to do is try to find somewhere that normally gets a little loud, and then have the earbuds in and see how they work. Probably I'll do it in a store or something, and then we'll get some videos of me using these where it's kind of loud. So I'll have that in here now if I find some. All right, bud, so right now I'm just testing out these earbuds. I'm gonna see what they sound like. And then from here, we'll switch to the Apple AirPods and see what they sound like in public. It's not too loud in here. You just hear a little bit of talking here and there. I can barely hear myself talk with these on right now. I don't know if they're noise canceling or not, but they're blocking out pretty much everything that's going on. And next I'm gonna switch to the AirPods, and then we'll see what those sound like, and we'll test those out as well. All right, so now I got the AirPods in. One thing I noticed right away is that I definitely could hear the outside world way more than with the Tozos. The Tozos blocked out everything. I was able to focus on just basically, just the earbuds. But with the Apple AirPods, I could already hear that I got the outside world in my ears. But I wonder how it sounds clarity-wise, and if it does block out more than regular headphones, if the Tozos block out more. So we'll see. All right, bud, so I'm doing a voice recorder right now with the Apple AirPod 3s. I got them in on Frankenstein's. I'm in a little crowded area, so normally all you're gonna hear is chatter or people talking around me. So this is what it sounds like with me just talking right now on the AirPod 3s. I'm about to switch to the Tozo T9s right now in the same area and see if it does block out people or whatever. All right, so now I got the Tozo T9s. I'm in the same area, so all you're gonna hear is a little bit of chatter around me. So we'll see if it really does block out. It says 50% noise reduction, 150% of my voice clarity. We were trying to do a video, but I don't know if the video went through good. I didn't know if the iPhone was using my earbuds or not, but if we do, we'll pick that up. If not, we have this, and this is what it sounds like. All right, so I think if you're a person that really just, uses your earbuds to talk to people like me, normally when I'm at work, when I'm not testing out a product, when I'm just at work doing my own thing, I have music on the speaker, and when someone calls me, I pull out the earbuds, put them in, talk for like an hour or so, whatever. Done with my call, put them away. and then go back to my speaker. If you're like that, if you just normally talk to someone on your walk or at your job, or you know, when you're doing stuff around the house, cooking, cleaning, or whatever, and then you have the earbuds in to talk, I think this might be a good budget option for you at 36 bucks, especially if that noise canceling is pretty good, canceling out what's going on around you. That would really help people that, especially like people that work on like louder sites or anything at their jobs. That would be a big plus. So hopefully that test really came through, because I'm doing this before I do the test, because I gotta go find loud areas. I might just go to like a stores or something tomorrow, and where a lot of people around, and try that out. But yeah, basically this might be a pair for you guys if you're more talking. Unlike their other pairs, I feel like we're really great with music. I'm not saying these are bad at music, but their other Tozos are so good when it comes to music. The volume is decent on here, and the bass is a little bit above decent, but the clarity in the mids, like the vocals and instruments, is really good on here. You're gonna be fine with music. You won't be disappointed. I'm just saying their other ones are better. But you know, if the call is as good as they're like really pushing into this is gonna be a hard pair of earbuds to beat, honestly. And the reason I say that'd be a hard pair to beat, because there's not a lot of earbuds out there that really mastered the call quality function, and being able to block out the world around you will be big. And we'll get more into that later. And earbuds, I'm guessing they're gonna get crazier. Hopefully these nailed it, and I can't wait to go test these and hear the video myself. But if you guys want to check out some more of Tozo's earbuds, I put it right here. I can't remember which side. You guys will see it before I do. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. I see all you guys in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. Peace. Go Gators.